This just in, ladies and gentlemen, late breaking news from the desk of Camaro time. You have just purchased your new car and got it completely paid off, but you now have to continue paying for it. This is just absolute craziness. By now somebody's sitting out there wondering, what in the Sam hell is this fool talking about? First, I would like to thank each and every one of you for coming and for sticking around past that little craziness. But yes, it's all over the internet, and here on my channel I try to keep you all informed on the major happenings of what's going on, the trends and stuff like that, as well as the Camaro news, you know, car news, hot rod news, muscle car news, anything along that line, anything I think you might need to know about. And I've seen it coming for a while, and it's actually the modern trend, and you can thank Tesla for it, I reckon, because they have a few things like this. But what I am talking about, BMW, and we'll go in here and I'll show you the exact article here in just a second. BMW has announced that they were going to start charging a subscription for their cars. Let me be more specific. Stuff like the heated seats, the smart headlight system, the engine sounds that they pump in through their electric cars and all that stuff. All this stuff will be subscription based. Why does that matter? Why does that concern you and everything? Glad you asked. And to be honest, it really isn't going to seem like that big of a deal to you, but if you stop and think of terms and relationships of everything, BMW also announced that they was going to charge a subscription to be able to use Apple CarPlay in the cars. People got in an absolute uproar about that, so they changed their mind. But this is a little bit more serious. And the reason I say why does it matter and everything, if one car dealer starts doing it and the other powers that be think it's a good idea, or they see it's actually working, they will quickly, and I mean quickly, follow suit. And the reason this is even coming up is because, a lot of cars are going the ways of the electricity. They're being electrified. So there's a lot of ways that they're not going to be able to make money, so they got to figure out where to get this revenue from. So here comes the other built-in things. And what they're wanting to do is they're wanting to take the car, a BMW, doesn't matter what kind, they want to put in electric seats in all of them, they want to put in the smart headlights in all of them. In other words, they want to take all their goodness, all of their accessories, and want to charge you a subscription for them. But they want to take them and put them in every single car. Now, number one, the reason that this could be a problem is it's going to make the price of the car go up, which BMW is already expensive, and a lot of people don't even like them. But with that said, you can see how this can translate over to the other cars. If everybody started doing this, the cars would go up, and then you're going to be paying on top of your monthly car payment a service or subscription to get these things like heated and cooled seats, the smart headlights, the radio sounds, the car sounds and all that stuff. And you may be saying right now, well, what does that matter? You pay for satellite radio. You are correct. You are paying for satellite radio, but satellite radio is a service. It is offered. Your radios can already pick it up. It's a service that is offered that you're paying for. Whereas with the heated seats, the smart headlights and all that stuff, they're already built into the car. They came with the car. You bought the car. You bought the seat. If you don't want the subscription, what are they going to do? Come take out your seats? You see what I'm getting at? But I just wanted you to know this, so let's get in here and show you the exact article. Here's where I seen it. Like I said, it's all over the internet, but BMW wants to charge a subscription fee for already installed features like heated seats, adaptive cruise control. In a virtual conference that they had, BMW announced its future digital plans in a press briefing on Wednesday. And this story comes from Luxury Launches, which includes contentious subscription-based model for quite a few features on its new cars. It doesn't sound all that bad till you realize that on-demand utilities are not restricted to software or infotainment features, but basic things like heated seats, adaptive cruise, and automatic high beams. The VR presentation, which those that don't know is virtual reality, by BMW, gave a preview of series of digital updates to its cars, which includes the BMW digital key. The Bavarian automaker confirmed that all its current model cars can get full software upgrades over the air, and the first such update soon hit the cars equipped with the newest operating system. According to the company, the updated package will be the size of 1 gigabyte and take roughly 20 minutes to install. While they haven't revealed the exact list of options that will be turned into a on-demand series, but the automaker mentioned that the services will be enabled via the car or the new BMW app. Some of these functions, will be permanently assigned to the car or available for a mentioned period ranging from 3 months to 3 years. BMW said the owners can benefit in advance from the opportunity to try out the products for a trial period of 1 month, after which they can book the respective service for 1 to 3 years. Additionally, if the car changes hands, the second owner will have to take a fresh subscription for all the features and can opt to add or disable them accordingly to his needs. BMW tried something similar a few years back with access of Apple CarPlay with an $80 a year subscription fee. It was met with a lot of criticism, and BMW had to abandon that idea. Just plumb crazy. Plumb crazy. Well, there you go. Like I said, this stuff is already built into the car. You've bought the car with it. You bought the heated seats. You bought the cruise control. You bought the headlights. And they're going to charge you a subscription to be able to use it. I mean, you're paying anywhere from $60,000 to $90,000 for one of these BMWs, and you got to pay a subscription to use a heated seat. What? BMW? I don't think this is going to go over too well, and I sure hope it doesn't go over too well, because that means it'll trickle down to the rest of the market. If all the other auto manufacturers out there see that this is going to work, and you're willing to pay for it, before long, you buy the car, but you're going to have to pay to use it. You cannot crank it up until you pay the subscription. But I just wanted to put that out there because I know most of you don't even know about it, because I didn't know about it, and I figured I'd pass it on to you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I tried to keep this one short, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you all, each and every single one of you, for stopping by. Greatly appreciate it. You get out there and enjoy your car. I'm enjoying mine just by relaying this news article to you. It's a very roundabout way, I know, but hey, I still do it. Take care. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.